Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really cool zoom in and zoom out effect in Filmora. So stay tuned, hit subscribe, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay guys, I'm using a sample clip from my Minecraft series on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how to do a really cool zoom in effect, especially when you're talking and you want to emphasize it. It looks great. Accompanied by a really subtle whoosh effect, it sounds and looks fantastic. So let's get straight to doing. Select the video on your timeline. Choose the section that you wish to zoom. So for me, today we're going to finish our trading haul. Check on our shop. Right before I say check on our shop, I want to actually zoom into my face just to give it a bit more dynamic. So right over here is where I'm going to cut the clip in half. So simply cut that. Ensure that the second half of the clip is selected. Then what you're going to do is going to go to this button here, which is your crop, and we're going to dash over to your pan and zoom. So we've got this red box in the middle. So you're going to click on that and it's going to go green or blue. You can debate that in the comments. I am going to just adjust this to maybe look like that. Check on our shop and do any other fun things that we come across. So hit subscribe and let's go. Okay, that's exactly what I want, except we're not going to have that slow pan that I'm just making sure that it actually covered the area of my face that I wanted, and click apply. Now what you're going to do is just click over with your right hand arrow key on your keyboard about 3 clicks. So 1, 2, 3, so 3 frames, and cut that. Ensuring that the end part is selected, you're going to go back to the crop and zoom. You're going to hit the special little magic button over here. I actually don't even know what it's called, but this is the button to click. And you're going to hit the crop button at the top and click apply. All right, let's have a look what it looks like. Trading haul. Check on our... That is perfect. Haul. Check on... Now, this is a subtle zoom in. You can do quite extravagant ones. That just depends how you adjust it in the pan and zoom window. To really emphasize this, go to your audio and your sound effects. And all you need is a really nice little whoosh sound. Oh, that's too much. Yeah, that one's good. This one will do. So I'm going to place it right here and just have to time it. Check that. Check on it. Yeah, that's good. All right, so 5 of a survival series. Today we're going to finish our trading haul, check on our shop, and do any other fun things that we come across. So hit subscribe and let's go. Now, just for the purpose of this example, I'm going to show you how to zoom out. So we've zoomed in at check on our shop, and then after check on our shop, let's go back to what it was. So we're going to cut it right here where I say check on our shop. Make sure that the final part of the clip is selected. So open up the pan and zoom window again and click on end. And with end, we're just going to extend it to cover the whole thing. Right. So now it's actually going to zoom back out. And do any other fun things that we come across. Slowly. So we're going to do the exact same thing we just did before in reverse. So we're going to click over 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 3 frames. Cut that. And then we're going to click our magic little button again. Crop. This should all be selected now in green or blue. And we're going to apply the same whoosh effect to that part as well, just so it gives it a bit more oomph. It looks and sounds better. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. And do... where is this? A little bit over this way. Stop and do any... Perfect. Now we're going to play the whole thing. Survival series. Today we're going to finish our trading haul, check on our shop, and do any other fun thing. That's your zoom in and zoom out. It is that simple. You can do it with anything. So I'm going to show you another section here where we actually do it on the clip and not on my face. Let me show you where our endless supply of iron is. So at the end of this clip, I want to zoom in on the boat rowing to the iron farm. So we're going to select that clip and we're going to cut it where we want to begin our zoom. So I'm thinking right here should be fine. We're going to open up the crop menu and go over to pan and zoom. And we're going to zoom it this way. Adjust this to however you want. What I recommend doing is always play it so you can see what it's going to look like. I want that even more. So now we're going to click over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We're going to cut it again. Open the crop and pan and zoom window. Click on the magic little button where the end is highlighted in green and click crop and click apply. We are going to put the whoosh effect here as well because it sounds so good. Don't I love it? Supply of eye it is. There. So, endless supply of eye it is. Zoom straight in. Endless supply of eye it is. And right before the clip finishes, we're going to zoom out. So I'm thinking maybe right here for the example of this video. So open up that window again. Back to pan and zoom. And where it says end, you want to ensure end is selected. And open it back up to the whole video. So extend it out and click apply. Click over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Cut it again. Open up that same window and click our magic little button so that the entire green section is now highlighted. Click on crop and click apply. We're going to put our whoosh here as well because it is perfect for this video. It's that in the right spot. That's better. Okay, so let's play the entire clip. Endless supply of eye it is. Zoom in and zoom out. So guys, if this was helpful, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I respond to every single comment and we'll catch you next time.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.